growing up in the 90s, Bill Nye the Science Guy was a popular TV show. And even though I wasn't a regular viewer, I, like so many others, knew who Bill was because he had a recognizable brand that he built by delivering specific content to his audience on a topic he was an expert on. No one would expect Bill to create a cake decorating tutorial. He knew what his viewers required and was clear about his offerings. You can use the same strategy by leveraging content marketing to position your business as the top choice for your market. I'm Afton Brazzoni, and my content studio, Scribe National, helps B2B companies create stronger connections with their audiences to drive sales. Simply put, we do this through content marketing. Now, that's a type of marketing that focuses on building strong relationships with your target audience by providing them with high quality and relevant content on a consistent basis. So eventually, when they make a purchase decision, their loyalty already lies with you. Before we dig into whether content marketing is right for your business, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'd love if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these weekly marketing tips and interviews with people sharing industry insights. And if you know someone who you think these tips would benefit, please let them know about our YouTube channel. Personal recommendations help so much. Okay, let's dive in. You wouldn't buy a piece of clothing without knowing whether it was the right size. And in the same way, you also need to know whether content marketing is a fit and whether working with a professional to help you minimize overwhelm and maximize your results is a fit for your business before you invest in it. So here's a simple way to think about it. Investing in content marketing with a seasoned partner to help guide the way is right for you if, number one, you want to start your business off on the right foot with strategic marketing. 2, you want your brand to be distinct in your market and your expertise to be clear. 3, you value building trust with your audience rather than simply making transactions. And 4, you want your marketing to be as efficient and impactful as possible. Okay, investing in content marketing with a seasoned partner is not for you if, 1, you prefer the throw things at the wall and see what sticks approach to marketing. 2, you believe that because you have a logo and a social media presence, your marketing is covered. 3, you favor quick one-time sales over long-term customer relationships. Or if you prefer DIY marketing over working with a trusted expert. I hope you can now get a sense for how powerful content marketing is. It drives 3 times more leads than traditional advertising and costs over 60% less. But of course, it's not for everyone. If you are ready to start telling your company's story to reach your audience and your goals, visit scribenational.ca/contact to get in touch. Thanks for watching.